Have you ever seen anyone operate an excavator as smoothly as this? Machinery like this really fascinates me. Its sheer power is on par with any other type of machine. The excavator has a beak like this. Have you ever seen one before? Its mechanism is designed to scoop up mud from the riverbed. When it scoops, its lid closes, keeping the mud from spilling out. You might think it's only for digging, but even for moving bulky items, it can do the job. A versatile machine, it has countless applications in the hands of someone who knows how to use it. But if you don't know how to use it, it might end up like this. Stay tuned with me to see more extraordinary types of machinery.